Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you.
Start. Crime was registered against the accused and investigation commenced thereon. Stop. The injured were sent for medical examination. Stop. The accused numbers 1 to 7 came to be arrested. Stop. The weapons of offences, that is, grubbing hose and stones, as well as the jeep in question were seized. Stop. The investigating officer interrogated the witnesses and recorded their statements. Stop. After finding the complicity of the accused, case was lodged against the accused for the aforesaid offences. Stop. Upon committal of the case by the learned judicial magistrate, the learned sessions judge framed charges against accused persons for the offences punishable under sections 147, 148, 332, 337, 338 and 353 read with section 149 of IPC. Stop. The accused persons abjured their guilt and claimed for trial. Stop. Para. At the trial, to substantiate the charge against the accused, the prosecution examined in all 14 witnesses, including the public witnesses, to the arrest of accused, seizure of articles and scene of occurrence Panchnama. Stop. The accused did not lead any evidence in their defense which consisted of false implication to preempt the action against the police for unjustifiably assaulting the accused party. Stop. Para. After appraisal of the evidence, the learned additional sessions judge was persuaded to hold that the prosecution succeeded in establishing that accused number 1 drove the jeep in a rash and negligent manner so as to endanger human life and attempted to commit murder of PSI Jagdale by running over him when he tried to intercept the speeding jeep. Stop. Para. The learned sessions judge also found that the accused persons formed an unlawful assembly and committed the offence of rioting and also used criminal force and caused hurt to the public servant with intention to prevent them from discharging their duties. Stop. However, the learned sessions judge found that the offence punishable under section 148, that is, rioting armed with deadly weapons, was not made out against accused numbers 3 to 7. Stop. Thus, the accused were acquitted of the offence punishable under section 148. Stop. The accused numbers 1 to 7 were thus convicted for the offences punishable under sections 147, 332, 337, 338 and 353 read with section 149 of IPC and sentenced to suffer imprisonment and pay fine as described above. Stop. Para. Being aggrieved by and dissatisfied with the aforesaid judgment and order of conviction and sentence, the appellants have preferred this appeal. Stop. During the pendency of the appeal, it was reported that accused numbers 1, 2, 3 have died. Stop. Thus, by an order dated 29th January 2014, this court recorded that the appeal against accused numbers 1, 2, 3 stands abated. Stop. Para. I have heard learned counsel appointed by the Legal Aid Committee for the appellants and learned assistant public prosecutor for the state. Stop. At the outset, it is necessary to note that the incident in question can be conveniently bifurcated into two parts. Stop. The gravamen of indictment against accused number 1 was that he drove the jeep in a rash and negligent manner, throwing caution to the wind, and did not halt the jeep despite attempt to intercept it. Stop. Thus, the legality, propriety, and correctness of the impugned order of conviction and sentence against the deceased accused appellant number 1 is not required to be determined. Stop.